Welcome everyone. Today we talk about movies together.
Yes, movies and shows help practice real conversation.
This topic feels fun and easy for learners.
Talking casually builds confidence without pressure.
We will keep things relaxed like friendly chat.
Exactly like friends sharing opinions and experiences.
Can you talk about movies you recently watched?
Sure, I watched a movie last weekend recently.
What kind of movie was it exactly?
It was a simple comedy with family themes.
Do comedies help language learners understand better?
Yes, jokes teach tone, expressions and timing.
Sometimes jokes confuse learners though, right?
Yes, cultural jokes need extra explanation sometimes.
How can learners avoid misunderstanding movie jokes?
They should watch scenes twice and read summaries.
Do subtitles help understanding native speakers more?
Yes, subtitles support listening and vocabulary learning.
Should learners always use subtitles while watching?
First use subtitles, then slowly remove them.
What about TV shows for daily conversation?
Shows are great for repeated natural speech.
Which shows are good for beginners?
Sitcoms work well because language stays simple.
Why sitcoms help confidence more than movies?
Episodes are short and conversations repeat often.
Can repeating episodes improve speaking confidence?
Yes, repetition builds familiarity and speaking comfort.
Do accents in shows cause confusion?
Sometimes, but exposure improves listening gradually.
How should learners handle fast-speaking characters?
Pause scenes and replay difficult lines slowly.
Is watching alone enough for speaking practice?
Watching helps, but speaking practice is necessary.
How can learners practice speaking using movies?
They can repeat lines aloud confidently.
Should learners copy actor emotions too?
Yes, emotion helps sound more natural speaking.
What if learners feel shy speaking alone?
Start quietly, then increase volume gradually.
Do movie genres affect learning speed?
Yes, drama improves emotion while action helps listening.
Are action movies bad for learners?
Not bad, but dialogue is limited often.
What about romantic movies for learning?
Romance shows emotional language and expressions clearly.
Can learners learn pronunciation from movies?
Yes, listening carefully improves pronunciation naturally.
Should learners focus on every new word?
Now focus on meaning, not perfection.
How can learners stay motivated watching shows?
Choose topics they genuinely enjoy watching.
Is binge watching helpful or harmful?
Moderate watching helps learning without fatigue.
Can discussing shows improve speaking confidence?
Yes, discussion encourages expressing opinions clearly.
How should learners describe movies simply?
Use basic sentences about story and feelings.
Is it okay to make grammar mistakes?
Yes, communication matters more than accuracy.
How can learners talk with native speakers?
Start with simple opinions about popular shows.
What if natives speak very fast?
Ask politely to repeat or slow.
Do movies help understanding real culture?
Yes, they show daily habits and humor.
Can learners misunderstand culture from movies?
Sometimes movies exaggerate reality for drama.
How can learners avoid wrong cultural ideas?
Compare movies with real conversations online.
Are cartoons useful for adult learners?
Yes, cartoons use clear pronunciation and visuals.
Do voice tones matter in understanding shows?
Tone shows emotion and meaning clearly.
Should learners repeat movie lines daily?
Daily repetition builds fluency over time.
Can shadowing improve speaking skills?
Yes, shadowing matches rhythm and speed.
How long should learners watch daily?
Even 20 minutes daily helps significantly.
Is watching without subtitles ever useful?
Yes, it trains pure listening skills.
When should learners remove subtitles fully?
After understanding main ideas comfortably.
Do reviews help before watching movies?
Reviews give context and reduce confusion.
Should learners talk about movies with friends?
Yes, discussion builds confidence and clarity.
Can movies reduce fear of speaking?
Yes, familiar phrases reduce anxiety.
What common mistake learners make watching movies?
Trying to understand every single word.
What should they focus instead?
Focus on message, emotion, and context.
We discussed many ways movies support learning.
Movies make English practice enjoyable and natural.
Learners should watch actively, not passively.
Yes, speak, repeat, pause, and reflect often.
Confidence grows through regular relaxed exposure.
Mistakes are part of learning process.
Choose shows you enjoy and understand.
Enjoyment keeps motivation strong daily.
Thanks everyone for listening today.
Keep watching, keep speaking, and stay confident.